Today I'm going to go over how to change a high beam headlight bulb in this 8th generation Nissan Sentra. Now the 8th generation was made from 2020 up to 2026, and I'm not sure when they're going to come out with the 9th generation, but the 9th generation will be different. So first I want to identify which bulb is which. This one is your high beam, this one is your low beam. Then make sure that it's completely off. Let's jump in the car and look at that. And the power to the lights is off. So you hopefully won't get zapped, but you know, you never know. So yeah, we're doing this high beam, so we're gonna jump in here. Now this is a very tight space to get your hand in. And what you gotta do is, this little guy right here is your clip. You have to unclip that, push the socket off, and then you have to twist this bulb out. Now definitely take this off before you pull the bulb out. And I'll show you a little closer view on that. Now this is sideways, just to let you know, but this is the only way I could get my phone in here to show you. So bear with me. We're gonna reach in from above, and we're gonna pry this, and at the same time, oh, just broke it. Don't do that, guys. Yeah, just broke a little bit of the top off, but that's all right. And is it, did I unclip it? Yep, cool, that unclipped. Little piece of the plastic broke off the top. Just be careful doing it. Then you have to reach in here and twist. And I'll show you how my arm is. This is the way that it worked for me, to get my thumb in there and then pull the bulb out. Now this bulb is an H9. Now when you go to put that back in, you have to go a little bit counterclockwise, and then it snaps into place like that. As you can see, there's those 3 ridges. It goes in there, and then plug it back in. So let's throw this back in. I wish I had a better view, but you could see there's the bulb. We're gonna align it. My hand has to be in this position, otherwise it does not want to go in. Now I've got it in there. It's turned like 30 degrees, and I'm gonna twist it. And you have to get your hand like this to get the torque to twist it back on. Then we're gonna take there's our power lead. That's a little part that broke off. No big deal though. Still gonna work. And we're gonna pop that back on there. So I was able to get that plugged back in. Let's make sure it works. All right, there's our high beam. We're on, we're functioning. And I try not to cut so much, so you can kind of see how hard it is and how I accomplished it. And hopefully that was helpful. I got in there, we got the bulb replaced. You saw what bulb it is. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb, but that's how it's done.